Yes, 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 yes! Package from China! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector! Welcome people, welcome back to a new review, and today we're going to talk about this PlayStation wireless controller from a friend from China. I'm searching for a good replacement controller because the original controllers are pretty damn horrible. Yeah, they play fine, but I've got 5 of them that are totally broken, and it is really that is just a nightmare. So yeah, I was searching for a replacement controller that plays just as well like the original one, and I came up with this one. This one comes in different colors. I ordered the blue one because the blue one is my favorite color. So people, they come in black, blue, crystal, just crystal clear, of how do you call, crystal clear, the crystal version. This is crystal blue, and what are you going to get? It comes with the receiver, so you can plug it in your PlayStation, and that's it. Nothing more, no packaging. Or either way, mine didn't have a packaging, but I don't care because we're going to throw it away. It's not a collectible for me. And it's got the same grip like the original one. The buttons feel just like the original one. Here we find the on and off switch, because it saves a lot of batteries. And at the back we find the little compartment where you can add your 2 AAA batteries. So, shall we plug it in the PlayStation 2 and see how it responds? And we are back people, and I've put the receiver in the PlayStation 2, and it is just plug and play, and it just recognizes the controller instantly. So that's pretty damn awesome. Okay. So as you can see, it works just perfectly. And now we're going to try a little bit of training mode of Street Fighter 2. The analog stick works just perfect. Let's try the D-pad. Alright, that one works too. But I had some little problems with the D-pad, but it can be me. Yeah, that's just me. So even for fighting games, the controller is just perfect. So yeah people, I know enough. So for the final conclusion about the wireless controller for the PlayStation 2. You can also use it on the PlayStation 1. And if you have a converter, you can also use it on the GameCube, and yes people, on the Xbox Classic. So that's really awesome. It's just plug and play. It works just very easily. And the one thing is, don't forget to switch off the controller if you're done with playing it, because it will drain all of your batteries. That's a little bit of a downside. There is no battery pack inside like the PlayStation 3 controller, but yeah, things cost around I think $9–10 shipped from China. So that is dirty cheap for what you're going to get. It's a good wireless controller, and I think we cannot complain for what we're going to get. So people, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And stay strong, stay positive, and stay wicked. And game on people. Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So follow me.